You've built a RAG system that answers customer questions perfectly until someone asks a follow-up question that requires checking 3 different databases and cross-referencing conflicting information. Traditional RAG isn't just limited, it's fundamentally broken for complex workflows. Your system retrieves once, generates once, and calls it done. No validation, no reasoning, no adaptation when the first retrieval misses crucial context. The cost? Gartner reports that 40% of agentic AI projects will be canceled by 2027 because organizations rush into solutions without understanding these core limitations. Here's exactly where traditional approaches break down. Agentic RAG solves this by embedding autonomous AI agents directly into your retrieval pipeline. Instead of retrieve once and generate, agents can plan multi-step retrievals, validate context quality, and iterate until they find the right information. The key breakthrough: agents can conduct information retrieval from multiple sources and handle more complex workflows. This enables accurate responses to complex queries while maintaining context across multi-turn conversations. Gartner benchmarked this progression and found that by 2028, 33% of enterprise software applications will include agentic AI, up from less than 1% in 2024. Here's how it works under the hood. Think of agentic RAG as giving your retrieval system a human-like thought process. Your query goes through an agent planner that decides which sources to check first, then a retrieval agent that can requery if results aren't sufficient, finally a validation agent that cross-checks information before generating the response. Each agent specializes in one part of the reasoning process. Let's walk through a real implementation. You start with a React agent framework that combines reasoning and action capabilities. The agent evaluates retrieved context and decides whether it needs to re-retrieve. The crucial part is the agent's memory system. This enables planning across multiple retrieval steps and learning from previous interactions within the same conversation. The agent processes retrieved data, applying advanced reasoning to generate solutions, complete tasks, or answer questions with depth and accuracy, but the real game changer is multi-agent collaboration. Different agents can specialize in different knowledge domains, then collaborate to synthesize comprehensive answers. Companies deploying these systems report tangible results. Intuit's invoice generation agents help businesses get paid 5 days faster. A survey of 1,000 enterprise developers found 99% are exploring or developing AI agents. That's unprecedented adoption speed for enterprise AI. Here's what that looks like in production. Understanding agentic RAG requires grasping 3 key architectural insights. First, agent orchestration. Multiple specialized agents coordinate their actions rather than operating independently. Second, persistent memory. Agents maintain context across conversation turns and can learn from previous interactions. Third, tool integration. Agents can call external APIs, databases, and even other AI models as needed for comprehensive responses. The most important concept to grasp is the shift from static workflows to dynamic reasoning. You'll recognize when you need this approach when your users ask questions that require synthesizing information from multiple sources, when follow-up questions build on previous context, or when you need real-time validation of retrieved information accuracy. Here's how this fits into your existing architecture. This transforms customer support from scripted responses to intelligent problem solving. You can, theoretically, go from 60% first contact resolution to 85% first contact resolution. McKinsey research shows companies implementing agentic systems report revenue increases between 3% and 15%, with 10% to 20% boost in sales ROI. Keep in mind, results may vary. Gone are the days of a technical co-founder attempting to provide customer service prior to funding. We all know how great devs are with people skills. Your next step: start with a simple agentic workflow. Don't get vendor locked while testing. For a specific use case like document analysis or customer support, try it with your existing knowledge base first, then gradually add more agents as you see what works. What's your biggest challenge with traditional RAG limitations? I'm planning videos on multi-agent architectures and production deployment patterns, so let me know what specific agentic workflows you want to see next. If you found this content valuable, be sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in the AI space. Looking to level up your skills, bring real value to your organization, or finally build your first AI application grounded in truth, whether domain-specific or general, head over to our site and sign up for the Production RAG Foundations course. This isn't a self-paced, watch-and-forget kind of course. It's hands-on, contains notebooks that can be used in production environments, and designed to help you build real production-ready retrieval-augmented generation systems. You'll go beyond surface-level tools, diving into vector databases, embeddings, chunking strategies, and more, without falling into the trap of bloated, over-engineered solutions. Seats are limited and spots are filling fast. Early signups get access to our private community and let you strut your stuff across the leaderboard with AI competitions that will help build your portfolio. Check it out. We'd love to have you on board.